The following is brought to you by the People's National Party.
I'm Miranda Wellington, your People's National Party candidate for Southwest St. Elizabeth. I was raised in Flagaman, where I learned the value of hard work. Now, I am answering the call. I will work to expand irrigation systems. I will also fix our roads. I will advocate for better financing to ensure our farmers and fishers can truly succeed. I will expand training and development in farming, entrepreneurship, and vocational skills. Southwest St. Elizabeth, time come for a better life.
The proceeding was brought to you by the People's National Party.